by. They're on guard as we brace for more rain.
Let's get right to WDSU. First warning weather, Chief Meteorologist Scott Pielier. The North Shore might get the worst of this over the next couple of days.
It looks like it, but there are still so many question marks that I still have about this forecast. And Gina asked a great question during the break. She said, are there two separate things going on? Is there a front and a tropical disturbance? And the answer is yes. We've kind of got two things coming together that are going to lead to a multi-day heavy rainfall threat. Some spots across Texas and Louisiana could pick up 12 to 15 inches of rain. We know we have problems with 2 inches of rain, so there is reasonable concern over the next couple of days. And let's break it all down for you. Here's a look at the radar picture at this hour. Much of the worst of the weather remains on the North Shore. That's where we've got a special weather statement for both Independence and for Franklinton. Winds as high as 40 miles per hour possible, with this batch of storms moving through Washington Parish and in Tangipahoa Parish within the next 15 minutes. These storms have been dropping quite a bit of rainfall as well, 1 to 2+ inches of rain in a short period of time. And that's going to be the continued trend through about 11 o'clock tonight. Into the overnight, what's interesting about a stationary front being overhead is that we've got a lot of atmospheric juice kind of right along this boundary. So some of the storms might get going in the middle of the overnight. Make sure you have a way to receive weather alerts throughout the duration of this event. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way through Thursday. Here's Tuesday morning, localized heavy downpours mainly on the North Shore. Other models start to build the rain back into the South Shore late Tuesday into early on Wednesday. And then I think we could see even more rain Wednesday into Thursday as the tropical disturbance starts to move closer to our area. So here's a look at the big picture. Again, a lot of spots just to our west from Houston to Lake Charles. That's where the bullseye of the heaviest rain looks to be. This is all tied to a tropical disturbance that's now being given a 50% chance of becoming our next named storm, which would be the first named storm of the season, Arthur. There's Invest 90L, and I've got to tell you, this thing looks good on satellite for being near 100 miles inland. It's actually got very little wind shear overhead right now, but over the next couple of days, you see all of this blue to the north? That's very strong upper level winds. That's why I don't see the ingredients coming together for this to organize rapidly, but it could briefly obtain depression or tropical storm status as it moves in the northwestern Gulf towards Texas and Louisiana. The bottom line is rainfall. A lot of moisture coming together through Wednesday into Thursday, meaning that the bigger concern isn't really the wind, although there could be some wind Tuesday through Thursday. I think the biggest risk is the flooding. We've got a flood watch all the way through the North Shore, the South Shore, the Bayou parishes, and the Mississippi coast through Friday morning. Here's tomorrow's flash flood threat. It's a level 2 for all of southeast Louisiana, level 3 into Wednesday from Houston to Lake Charles. Then notice by Thursday, Lake Charles all the way up to Jackson. The bullseye is west of us, but I can't caution you enough that the bullseye could get closer to us. Some forecast models bring rainfall amounts over 10 inches to parts of our area. Right now, the bullseye for our immediate viewing area is on the North Shore with 5 to 10 inches of rain, 3 to 6 on the metro and into the river parishes, 2 to 4 with localized hotspots over parts of the Bayou parishes. Now, I put this together to kind of give you an idea of all of the impacts that we're looking at. Tuesday through Wednesday, tides 1 to 2 feet above normal. We could see wind gusts 25 to 40 plus, an isolated tornado risk Tuesday into Wednesday. But again, the big concern is possibly some areas picking up over 10 inches of rain. We've got alert days posted Tuesday through Thursday, impact day Friday. And guys, we may not really dry out completely until early next week.
All right,